we recommend every year updating the hearing test because things change over time. And to properly be wearing the hearing aids, we need to make sure the prescription, if you will, matches, what's programmed into the hearing aids. So if it's been a few years since you've pulled those out of the drawer and put them on, definitely get in and get an updated hearing test done to start with.
There are some manufacturers where you absolutely can come in to most providers and you can receive service with those hearing devices. We call them unlocked devices, where we have access to be able to connect to those hearing devices, make changes to the prescription, update the programming to match the prescription that's recommended for their hearing loss.